Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera saya ucapkan kepada Dr. Nur Ashikin binti Muhammad Noor. Saya Muhammad Dizul Hilmi bin Kamarudin daripada Grup 6. Jadi kami akan membuat satu pembentangan mengenai Numerical Integration Project. Okey, ini adalah member of group. Yang pertamanya Muhammad Adam, Fikri, Nasir dan seterusnya adalah Kishan. Okey, baik. Saya akan teruskan dengan introduction of project. Baik, seperti sedia maklum bahawa setiap kumpulan perlulah mencipta satu masalah yang melibatkan civil engineering seperti struktur, hidrolik, geoteknik, alam sekitar dan sebagainya lagi. Baik, jadi dalam civil engineering banyak perkara ataupun isu yang tidak dapat diselesaikan melalui analitik sahaja dan ianya perlu uh, diselesaikan dengan menggunakan numerical method. Okey, baik. Jadi kami telah cipta satu masalah yang dapat diselesaikan melalui numerical method. Jadi masalah tersebut akan dinyatakan oleh rakan saya di problem statement dan kami pilih dua metod ini untuk selesaikan masalah tersebut iaitu sistem 1/3 rule dan sistem 3/8 rule. Itu saja.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Adam bin Muhammad Ismaili. My matrix number is CF220192. So I will explain about the literature review of this project. So our group has decided to create a problem statement in terms of geological engineering. So where to identify the numerical integration issue in civil engineering. Uh, whereas the one want to design the cut and fill of 70-meter wide building and measuring the cross section area using the Simpson 1/3 rule and Simpson 3/8 rule. So this first one is the equation of the Simpson 1/3 rule, and the second one is the Simpson 3/8 rule.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Fikri and I will talk about the methodology. Okay, firstly, we must finding topic for the project title and then we start and state the problem statement and the objective project. Then we make some background project and literature review, search for appropriate problem statement for Simpson 1.3 and 3.8 rule method, and then discuss the method and do the calculation, write the discussion and conclusion about project, and then we submit the project report on 21st December.
Hello, my name is Kishan Samugam, CF220155. So today I will explain about our group problem statement. So our group decided to do a problem statement in geology scope. So firstly, we apply Simpson rule 1/3 and 3/8 to this problem. So what is our problem? Our problem is we have a building. We want to build a building in the hill area. So we apply the cut and fill around 70 feet. So we want to build the bin. So we want to apply cut and fill by using the Simpson rule 1/3 and 3/8. Okay, so next I will explain about calculation for Simpson rule 1/3 rules. So this is the table that I get for this calculation. So I will explain how I get this table and the next step. So firstly, we have to find the subinterval for this calculation. So equation and the subinterval have given. So subinterval is 10. So I just have to find h equal to b minus a over n. So I will get the step size is 5. So I just input in the calculator step size and the equation. So lastly, I will apply the Simpson 1/3 formula to get the answer. The answer is 1.33 uh, 10⁻⁷ feet. Okay, for the next calculation is the Simpson rule 3/8. So how I get this table? This table I just input in this calculator, but they are different in formula. So basically, we know that this is the 3/8 Simpson rule. So I apply this formula and I get the final answer for this Simpson rule 3/8. So the final answer is 1.13 times 10 negative 8 feet. Okay, for the final calculation, to make this project more interest, so I have find the absolute error to make difference between normal Simpson, normal fieldwork technique, Simpson 1 over 3 rule, and Simpson 3 over 8 rule. So I will get three different answer all in feet. So from the calculation, we know that normal fieldwork technique have lowest error, but if we apply another project or another construction, we also can get the lowest error in Simpson. So just we can use many method in calculation. So Simpson one of the method to we calculate any cut field work.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nasir Tawar bin Muhammad Rizwan with my case number CF220128. Okay, for my part, I will explain about the filler table. Okay, here's the four table, which is fact, ideas, learning issue, and action plans. Okay, for the facts, a group of professional engineer want to cut and fit the size, and the ideas check the number of sub-interval. And for the learning issues, what is the area by using 1 per 3 Simpson rule? Then create a table for calculating 1 per 3 and 3 over 8 Simpson rule. Second, they need to measure the cross-section area of the site to cut and fill. Ideas: identify the length of cut and fill cross-section area. Learning issue: what is the area by using 3 over 8 Simpson rule. Lepas tu, action plans: obtain the interval size, which is h. And the second fact, Simpson 1 over 3 rules can only apply when n is equal or greater than 2 and must be an even number. And the ideas: identify the depth of cut and fill. Learning issue: what is the difference between 1 over 3 and 3 over 8 Simpson rule? And for the action plan, compare the area the obtained from 1 over 3 and 3 over 8 Simpson rule. And for the fourth fact is Simpson's 3 over 8 rule can only apply when it equal or greater than 3 sub-interval which n is in triple number, which is n equal to 3. And for the ideas, check the interval size before constructing the table for calculation. And action plan, lectures, note and slide. And the last one is idea: understand the format of 1 over 3 and 3 over 8 Simpson rule. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
For discussion, the current section that examine the issue statement using command inquiry method and numerical integration strategy from mathematical engineering. We obtain that using Simpson 1.3 rule and Simpson 3.8 rule well as a standard investigation approach with the area computed, in this case with the area calculated by the AutoCAD. We can get that the best result from that is to avoid failure of the lens structure to be consulted at a time and thus prevent unexpected incident in the future. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okey, untuk conclusion, dua cara yang telah digunakan ini adalah sistem 1 over 3 and 3 over 8 rules dapat digunakan untuk menyelesaikan masalah di tapak bina. Okey, baik. Dan ianya bergantung juga kepada tanah dan how you precise you want to be. Dan projek ni menunjukkan bahawa matematik dapat selesaikan masalah yang melibatkan pembinaan dan ianya lebih mudah untuk kita selesaikan. Okey, jadi itu saja daripada kumpulan kami. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.